So YouTube loves mistake videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you 5 lawyer mistakes and how to avoid them. So each of these mistakes will save you lots of money and lots of time. So let's go through them. And again, make sure to implement at least one of these. I don't want you just learning, passively watching these videos. Go do something about it and think about how is this applicable for me right now, and go stop the video, go do it. Number 1 is not texting your leads right away as soon as they come in. Right now, if you're not texting your leads as soon as they come in, I don't know how to say this, you're missing out on a lot of clients. Most people are most responsive through text these days. Okay, there's different forms of communication. There's text, there's calls, there's emails, and there's voicemail. Text is by far the most powerful out of all of them. You need to have a way for you to be able to directly text your leads as soon as they come in. Also, the day of when they have their meetings. Also, make sure you have your Calendly notifications for Calendly to notify that, hey, your meeting is coming up in 1 hour and also in 10 minutes. But whatever it is, make sure you text your leads. Number 2 is, this kills me because, and everyone understands this concept but doesn't apply, is not following up at least 10 times. Not 7, at least 10 or 20. Who cares? As long as your prospects, until your prospects say no. You need to follow up because most of your clients will come from your follow-up. Nobody's ready to just commit with you and just sign up. They have a problem, they find a lawyer and just sign up. That doesn't work that way. Maybe there are some people, usually with when you have people in a market, maybe you'll get maybe 2% of people who will take action. But in order for you to get these people, you need to follow up. So if you want all these people, make sure to follow up, okay? And this is done through emails, texts, and videos. You need to have these components, and the more you could tap into these components, and these could be done by certain tools such as ActiveCampaign, Sales Message, Loom. These are all different ways to be able to set up these automated emails and texts that could go to your prospects to get them to take your desired action. And most of us is either book a call or to go give me a call. Number 3 is not building an email list. Your email list is your equity in your law firm. If you don't have an email list, you don't have a business and you don't have a law firm. You need to be able to collect your contact information of your prospects and be systematically every single week nurturing them by providing them value through email. It's one of the fundamental rules of funnels. First thing is, in a funnel, you need to make sure to get your prospects contact information, and 2 is you need to use it. And by having an email list, be able to tap into your own prospects and people that are actually willing to move forward with you and sign up clients anytime. Number 4 is not making videos and not incorporating videos into your entire client conversion process. Your clients, your prospects, if you want to follow the KLT rule. That means your prospects must know you, they must like you, and they must trust you. Again, know, like, I know it's actually, I'm just scribbling, but know, like, and trust. I hope you don't mind that, but it's about the value that really matters. But whatever it is, again, your prospects must know you, they must like you, and they must trust you. And the best way to be able to communicate that is through videos. Practical way is by using a tool called Loom. If you gather the 5 top most popular questions that your prospects have, you make 5 short Loom videos to say, hey, I know you have some questions about this particular thing. Let me answer your questions for you. You make 5 of those videos and you use ActiveCampaign or an email list tool to be able to systematically email this out to your email list, and that will increase your chance of you getting them signed up as a client. Okay, so make sure to incorporate videos into your entire client generation system because that's what it takes these days. And number 5 is not having paid traffic sources consistently and predictably bring you clients. If you are a law firm owner, you need to have its source from paid ads that consistently brings you clients. You can no longer depend on referral sources because it's not consistent, it's not predictable. You can't rely on pay-per-lead companies or marketing companies. You need to have your own paid traffic source that you can tap into yourself, that you own in your own account, so that you can also always depend on new leads coming in day out. That's how I get 95% of my clients, and it's something that I push all of our Legal Funnel members to have also, and it's something that we help our Legal Funnel members with, okay? This is basically your way of predictably and consistently having clients for your law firm forever, essentially. All right, so just a quick little recap, 5 lawyer mistakes and how to avoid them is make sure that you're texting your leads, you're making sure to follow up at least 10 times, make sure to gather an email list of your prospects and continue to nurture with them. incorporate videos into your entire client generation system, and make sure to tap into at least one paid traffic sources that will predictably and consistently bring you clients. Mic drop. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the video if you haven't already, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.